I have this Cub Cadet LTX1050. I've got to put a drive belt on it. I've got some of it off. I'm going to show you how to put it back on and show you how to get the rest of it off. If you go underneath here, as you can see, I've already got the pulley off of it. You actually pull the pulley down so you can get the belt, move the bar out of the way. Now if you go back here to the back, as you can see back in here, right there, it has a little piece of metal on there. Well, you got to pull that pulley up as well, and I'm going to show you how to do that. It's got the fan on it. You don't want to break the fan. So come back here, lift the seat up, pull the battery out. Okay, now the plate's gone. I come in here, now look down in there, and there's the fan and the pulley. Now that's a 10mm bolt. I'm going to go ahead and take that bolt out. That way I can pull that pulley straight up and take the belt off. Now that the bolt's out of it, I can go ahead and take this fan off. Okay. And there's the pulley. Now I should be able to pull this up and take the belt off. Okay, this is the number for the drive belt. Okay, I got the belt inside there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go under here. I can do it from the top, but my arm will be in the way, and I want to give you a good picture of what's going on. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to raise this pulley up. I'm going to put my belt around it. I'm going to push it back down. Now I'll go ahead, put the fan back on there. Now I'll go ahead and put the bolt back in it. Okay, don't over tighten it because you may break the bolt. It's a small bolt. Just get it really good and snug. I don't know what the specs are, but yeah, don't crank it down. Now, go ahead and put the battery holder in here. I'll go ahead and put the battery back in. Put the wires back on the battery. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this tie down on here. Goes in here. Then you take it over here. Drop it through right here. And that will hold the battery down. Now I'll have to take the belt and run it right up and through those pulleys. Once I get it through those pulleys, we'll go underneath here. I'll show you exactly where. But let me get it up in there because I only got one hand. Yeah, you don't have to worry about it coming off the back pulley because it's got some things on back there that keeps it from coming off. Okay, so you take it, go through underneath here. Okay, now once you get it underneath this, you want to go underneath those gear boxes right there, that gear, and you want to come out up here. So I'm going to get it up there. I'm going to show you what it looks like and what I have to do. Okay, I want to pull this pulley downward. Yours might be a little stiff, might be rusted, but you can get it down, put something behind it and pry on it. This one came loose pretty easy. I'm going to take my belt and I want to put it around the pulley, like so. Make sure it's around there good and snug. And now I'm going to push it back up on here. And now see, I didn't have to bend anything. I'll go down here and pull it tight. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put the PTO on and bolt it up. Okay, here's the PTO. I got two washers here, it's got to go on there. Okay, now I'm going to put the PTO back on. Remember, it has two washers, or at least mine does. Make sure you put these back on if yours has them. You want to put it back together the same way it came apart. Look and see which way the keyway is on your PTO so you can pretty much get it lined up on there. tighten it down good. I don't know what the torque is, but get it on there pretty good. You don't want it to fall off. Now the PTO is bolted up. This brace right here, as you can see, there's a slot right here. This brace has got to go inside that slot. Bring it on around. It's right there. Leave it in there. That's to keep this from turning and ripping the wire out. Now I'll go up there and I'll bolt it up. Now I'm going to go ahead, put my wire through here. I'm going to plug it in right there. Now go ahead and set your emergency brake. It'll give you room to put the belt on. So I'm going to need both hands for this, so I will put the belt on and show you exactly what the configuration is for that belt. I'm going to have to take a 3/8 inch socket and loosen this up so I can get the belt in between there, and then I'll tighten it back down. Okay, go ahead and snug that back down. Okay, there's what it looks like when you take the brake off. It's nice and tight. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Thanks for watching.